In this week's video we take another wally walk over to St Paul's Bay. But why? We also take a look at our Raspberry Pi installation and the information that it's been given us for the last 2.5 years. Information that it takes from our solar and generation and correlates to our VRM on the web. Patrons get to look at this for free. And we finally get to cross to Sicily from Malta and up towards Syracuse. Enjoy the video, guys. So I haven't filmed any the rest of this little jaunt, but we are now at St Paul's Bay. Why are we at St Paul's Bay? You were going to leave a couple of days ago, Ant. I can hear you saying that now. There we go. Above the noise of the cicadas, that's St Paul's Bay. We've actually been in here before. We went round that way, and Steve and Emma got their new chain here. A few people down here enjoying a swim. So why are we here at St Paul's Bay? Well, because yesterday morning we got a phone call or a text. We now have another lever, and just to make things, so that's a month it took to get here, and the only good thing is we managed to get that, because this piece here, which you remember was rattling round inside the fuel tank, oh, flies, had broken off and the cap fell off. It literally vibrated loose, so I managed to get a new one of those while I was here, and that will just about see that engine done. Just got to tune it now. It's running very rich. The idle jet wants screwing in. If you remember, again, I did 4 turns and it should be about 1.5, maybe 2, but it's too hot to stand here in the sun. It really is hot. We need to get in the shade.
We could also always go and get in the water down there.
We use the Victron Connect app on our phones, tablet and even on our laptops, so that we can interrogate the information from our solar panels and our generator, etc, etc. This information is stored by the system for 30 days, but using our Raspberry Pi and our display, we've linked it to the internet to a thing called a VRM, and it will actually store all of the data from all of the inputs, including the Bluetooth from the fridge, which gives our fridge temperature, for about 2 years, maybe more. The VRM is available for viewing by patrons. They have a code and they can get on and log on and read all the different data and compare it to their own. There are 18 different graphs that can be arranged in any order on the VRM, and the length of time of those graphs represent goes up to about 2 years, I believe. It's really handy. To open the VRM, you simply need to register with Victron and set it up yourself, and there's plenty of information on the internet about how to do this, and of course there's our video on how to do it with a Raspberry Pi. If you're using the Cid XX from Victron, you can also log that onto the internet and set up your own VRM. If you'd like us to do a video on how to do that, then let us know in the comments below. Or watch our Raspberry Pi video I'll put a link in the description. 6 AM. We're just the sun is just coming up. About another hour to sunrise. We are just about to leave Malta. Got that chart on our navionics here. Fairly long one today. About 55 miles, 60 miles. Yeah, 55.4. Away we go.
Goodbye, Malta.
Yeah, goodbye Malta. I missed it last time. This time I've got it. That's the sun coming up over the horizon. A bit of sail up, just to steady really. It's only about 4 or 5 knots. We're doing 6 knots over ground, about 7 through the water. Looks like there's a bit of current. But there you go, sunrise. So our ETA is about 3 o'clock this afternoon, 2:30, 3 o'clock it's saying. Still quite a bit of swell out here. I'm guessing half a metre, which is what was predicted. Difficult for you to see. If you look that way you can see it perhaps. We put the main up just to steady us. We're about an hour out now, about 5.5 miles out, nearly 6 miles out. There we go. Well, we're 10 miles out now, and we've got some fishing lines out. Not that there's any fish in the Med, of course, but apparently it's mahi-mahi season according to Jürgen. Started last week or something, the season, so he was saying. So we've got a couple of lines out, one squiddy and one sort of jumping around thing. Yeah, so 2 lines out, and they're out 3 boat lengths behind us. We're doing 6 knots, 6.2 over ground, 7.13 through the water. So just saw a couple of dolphins. They were off in the distance, wouldn't get them on camera. It's almost time for a cup of coffee. Oh, it's dolphin again. Out there. He's just there, he's gone down again. Not far now, and the weather hasn't changed. It's as predicted. Swell has come down a little bit, but with a shorter wave period. Sorry, I'm sorry, I haven't got a clue. The Humphrey Littleton, one of the original Humphrey Littleton series. I think it's, they're all available as talking books, so I can sit here with one ear on and one ear off and have a good laugh. Anyway, oh, dolphins. Oh, just wait for your man on the radio to finish jabbering. He's on 16 jabbering away about something. But anyway, we are 34 nautical miles to go. We've done 20.5 nautical miles. So let's have a look. Our average speed has been 6 knots, maximum speed 7.6 course over ground, 29 degrees true. It says time 3 hours and 25 minutes. So yeah, we're exactly where we wanted to be and where Windy predicted we would be. It is flat calm. There's nothing on the fishing lines. You can see them, one there, one bobbing up and down there. You just see Malta into the haze now, so I've lost an oar. The little pins rotted away that hold bits together, and this one fell off at some point the last couple of days, so I've taken the rest of it off. But, I will have to get a new pair of oars, I think. I said to Cindy, with only having that one oar, it's one oar's power. Oh, good, eh? One oar's power. So we've got a little bit more wind now. We've got the engine running still. We've got some wind assist though now. The Italian flag, courtesy flag, ready. Had a close encounter of the ship kind about 20 minutes ago. You see these two here. One big one there. Oh look, dragonfly. And one there. Now with this camera they'll look miles off. The first one, the CPA, was 1.5 miles. That was that one because he was travelling slower. But the container ship there, the CPA when we first saw him on AIS was about 0.2, 0.3 of a mile. So I opened the throttle up a little bit and put the foresail up as well. That increased our speed, and then the CPA went to about 0.5 of a mile. I was fairly happy with, and then I watched his course on the AIS, and he changed course from 290 to 280 and came across our stern. So well, we're still motor sailing. The wind has picked up a little bit. There's a big ship off our starboard bow. Both the sails up now. Wind is at 29 degrees apparent, and it's got up to about 4 knots with the occasional gust of 7. Sea is still pretty much the same as it was. Madam is there, happy. Couple of lures out still. The jumpy one is jumping just here, and the Muppet one is right about there. What we're doing, we've got 19 miles to go. The speed over ground is there, so it's between 6 and 7 knots. Most of that's the engine, to be honest, and we should get there about 14:40, 20 to 3. Yeah, been a good crossing. I can just see Sicily on the horizon. You won't see it with this camera, but yeah, jib's back in now as well. Quite a few ships, busy old bit of seaway. Oh, I need to go up and change the courtesy flag to the Italian one. Sails up, they're not doing a lot. Wind has picked up now. It's about 5 or 6 knots, I guess, but not in a direction that really helps us. The sails are really just for stabilisation, not really giving us a lot of push. Oh, not long to go. I could do with a snooze. You know what it's like the night before you go on passage. You go to bed, but you don't really sleep properly. Well, I don't. Both of us were awake about 4 o'clock. It was a very hot, still night as well. Right, I think the next time we see you, next time we speak to you, we will be in Sicily. I've just put the jib away. We are exactly a mile outside of Porto. There's a few vessels inside that we can see. I can see one cat, at least 2, maybe 3 monohulls. Another couple of minutes we'll put the main down, or roll it in rather. It's now a dentist's favourite time, 2:30, and we're just coming in. We've had a good sail over. We've had to motor all the way. We could have sailed the last 2 hours, but the wind has been so light. The last 10 minutes or so it's picked up. Onshore breeze, and a few little wavelets, as you can see here, but otherwise pretty much no wind. We've had a good sail over, darling, haven't we? And it's nice to be back in Sicily. Right, I'm going to put the camera down now, and I'll put it back on once we get the anchor down. So here we are, we've now arrived in Sicily. This is Porto. The holding's usually fairly good if you hit a patch of sand, and I think we have. I've given it 1800 RPM in reverse, and it's dug in. Got the snubber on, but only a single line snubber, because we may end up moving at some point. Fishing vessels over there. Open sea there. The wind is going to be changing around, coming around from the north, so we'll be protected. There's a 450 lagoon there, and 2 monohulls and a powerboat behind them as well. One skipper. Beer o'clock, is it? Arrival beer. Quarter, yeah, we can as well. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, so there we go. That's it, we're done. Turn the engine off, turn the coolers, the fans off, and chillax, as they say.